Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am here with the thematic workbook Playful of Health theme 4. Let's open page number 5. At page number 5 we have a letter Z. Z. Here we have capital and small letter both. So before starting a letter, let's mention date at the top of the page. Today is 27.7.2021. After mentioning date, let's come to the letter. So here we have capital and small letter both. Capital letter is written in between 3 lines and small in between 2 lines. Okay, so look at the formation carefully. Start from the top line, horizontal line, then down slant, one horizontal line again. So now we are going to write small letter. Small letter we are going to write within 2 lines. One horizontal line, down slant and horizontal line again. So this is the formation of capital and small letter. Here we have words starting from the letter Z, zigzag, zebra, zip. So what will we do? We'll color these pictures. So let's color zigzag. Take color of your choice and color all the pictures. You have 3 pictures. So similarly color these pictures. Done. So likewise we'll color rest of the pictures. See, so color these pictures, and after coloring the picture, let's come to the capital formation. So here we have capital letters. Start from the top, horizontal lines, down slant, and then again horizontal line. Z, 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 Z. So I am writing in between top 3 lines. Z, Z. Capital letter will write in between top 3 lines. Z, Z, and speak while writing, as ma'am always says, right? Ma'am always says speak and write. So similarly we will trace all the Z, Z. After that, turn the page. Once we'll turn the page, we'll get small letter. Here we have small letter. So now we are going to trace small letter, and we can see small letter is written in between middle 2 lines, right? So again horizontal, down slant and horizontal line. So Z, Z, right in between middle lines. Okay, Z, Z, speak and write. Z, 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 Z. Similarly trace all the Z. Okay, after that we'll come to the independent writing. So capital letter we are going to write in between top 3 lines, as we had written on previous page. So one horizontal line and then down slant, horizontal line again. Z, Z. So this is the capital letter. Okay, after capital letter, let's write small letter. Small letter we are going to write in between these 2 lines. Similarly, horizontal line, down slant and horizontal line again. Okay, so this is the small letter. So everybody watch this video carefully and do page number 5 and 6 in your theme 4 workbook. We'll meet in next video. Till the time, take good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.